Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I have another project share for you guys. So the last time I did a video and I made some Valentine toppers, you guys really liked it. I so appreciate all your comments and I got a pretty good response from the video, you guys. So I thought I'd kind of follow up on another project similar to that one. But let me just show you what I did with my toppers. So I wanted to package some of these heart dangles that I made. And so all I did was I made a hole right here on the, this is the stiffened felt heart that I die cut. I put a little jump ring there and then I hung the two dangles and then put it in plastic, and then there you go. I put my topper. And all I did was I glued the inside of the toppers, right? I glued one side and then the inside of the back, and then I just basically sandwiched the plastic in there. So that's how they came out, and isn't that super cute, you guys? I really enjoyed making these toppers. So I thought I would go ahead and make something. Now, I wanted to gift a couple of my friends some charms. And so what I did was I had a package of charms, and then I split it into two. And then I added a couple other charms. So anyway, I thought, here's my charm. I thought I would figure out a way to do a topper for this itty bitty package. Okay, and so let me show you what I did. Look how adorable. Isn't that cute? So I just made this topper just like similar to the way I did. I shared with you guys how I made my own little topper here. Okay, but instead of an oval, I did the heart punch, which I use my EK Success heart punch. It's a very tiny one. It's only about I don't know, like an inch, maybe. And I just punched out a heart, and look how cute that is. So if you have even a bigger punch, you know, for a bigger topper, you can definitely use that. So I thought I'd go ahead and just share with you how I did that one. So depending on your packaging, now my package is small here, so I basically cut a, I think it's 2-inch. What you want to do is measure your package, really. That's how you should do it. And it's about a little bit less than 2-inch. So I would cut a piece of cardstock at 2-inch. And this is my scrap, so I just happened to cut it at 2 and 3 1/4. And then what you want to do again is fold in the middle, right? Just like how we did the other topper. Okay, and if you want to score this and fold, you know, that's up to you. You can also do that. Okay, and then I took a decorative, again, I love the scallop. If you don't have one of these decorative scissors, what you can also do is, if you have pinking shears, you can also use that. Okay, and so let's go ahead and, I should have just done that together because I think it'll go through. Oops. Okay, so I love the scallop edge, and that's why I love using these scissors. And there you go, there's my little scallop edge. Okay, and then I just punched my heart. And I just kind of did it in the middle. So, I mean, you can measure this out if you want to, but I'm just going to wing it here. Okay, so I'm going to punch that out. And look how cute. And then just to make it even cuter, what I did was I used my corner chomper. Let me see if I can find it. And I used a quarter-inch corner rounder, sorry. Got a little tongue-tied there. And then I rounded the corners here, and look at how cute that is. See? Super adorable. And then all I did was, I mean, you can still further decorate this, but I just used my ATG gun and put adhesive on the inside of the bottom where the scalloped part is. As you can see here, it's already there, and all I need to do is stick here and stick on the back. Look how cute! Super cute! And then I can just add my little bow. Okay, so let's just add a little bow. Let's see. We'll just go ahead and use my favorite glue here. Oh, let me just, and again, this is the Martha Stewart bow punch. Go ahead and just glue that on there, right below the heart. Alright, I'm just gonna make sure that's down. It's still a little wet, so it's moving. Okay, so it'll eventually dry. But there you go. Look how cute and simple that is. And you can put a bling in the middle there. Let me see if I can find my bling. Should we do a red or maybe a pink one? Oh no, let's just do a red one right here. I have it right here, nice and handy. And this already has adhesive, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue there just to make sure it stays on there, because it is glitter paper. And look how adorable that is. Right? So cute. I think he came out so cute. So you could even do that with your candy. So here's some candy. So let's do that again. Let's take, this time it's a little bit wider, so you want to just kind of measure it out so that it's as wide as your plastic. And this plastic here, this is the narrow one that I got from, I think it was from Michael's. And it's in the, like the baking section where you have cupcake liners and things, and candy wrappers. Okay, so there you go. This time let's use some pinking shears, which kind of makes a zigzag. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna do it right here. And that is also cute. See that? That's the edge. And then let's go ahead and use our heart again. I am loving this heart. It's so cute. Right there in the middle. Punch that out. And you can even still use this punched out heart if you want. Look how cute. Okay, and then get your corner chomper again. And chomp the edge, because it just looks a little bit cuter with a rounded corner. And then all you need to do is glue this on like so. Right? Super easy. And then you can decorate it as you like. So how cute is that? Great for your candies, embellishments, anything you want to wrap. And then all you have to do is, you know, you can put a heart. You could even put these, like, this was a pick. I just took the little stick out. You know, you can even do that. And maybe put another, just to cover up that little wrinkled part, you know, you can put another couple of hearts like that. However you want to decorate it. Here's a cute one right here. I think I like that one. Okay, so we can use that one. That's pretty adorable right there. Maybe even on the side. But yeah, again, you can decorate it however you want to decorate it. Or you can just put another bow. Look how cute that is. I think I kind of like that. We'll just stick with a bow. So you just have to, and then you could even put a little sentiment if you wanted to. If you don't have decorative paper, you can again use your washi tape. You can just use regular red cardstock or maybe pink or even white if you don't have it. And then you can just put some washi tape and decorate it. Oops. So how adorable is that? Super cute. So I hope you guys like my little tutorial for today. And as my title says, good things come in small packages, right? Really cute. All right. Hope you guys try this, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.